In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to Xero in a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to refine your skills in managing receipts, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Xero interface. Here, you'll notice a plus icon, which serves as a gateway to several functionalities. Click on this plus icon to proceed. With that click, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying several options. From this menu, you'll need to select Spend Money. This selection allows you to record expenditures against your bank account, an essential step before attaching any receipts. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the specific bank account that was used for the expenditure. This is vital because associating the receipt with the correct account ensures accurate financial tracking and reporting. So, take a moment to verify which account you'll be linking to this expense. Once you've got the bank account selected, the next step involves inputting the details of the expenditure. Pay careful attention to ensure all relevant fields are filled in accurately. These could include elements like the date of the transaction, the vendor or payee's name, and the amount spent. Accurate data entry here is crucial as it's a part of maintaining precise financial records. At this point, your attention will shift to the File button on the top right of the page. This button is your tool for uploading the receipt. Go ahead and click on this File button, which allows you to search through your computer files to locate the receipt you wish to upload. Once you find the receipt file, simply upload it to Xero. With the receipt uploaded, it's time to input any remaining details of the receipt if necessary. This could include additional notes or categorization that better describes the nature of the transaction. Double check that everything aligns correctly as per the receipt's information. Now, you're almost at the finish line. Your final action is to either save the entry or approve it, depending on your access privileges within the system. By clicking Save or Approve, all your entered data is securely recorded in Xero. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully uploaded a receipt to Xero. With these steps completed, your business's transactions are now more organized, helping streamline your accounting processes. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy bookkeeping!